Just gonna go check out some ice out conditions on some of these back lakes. First thing I see, disgusting. Really, people? Really? Throwing away 10 cents right there, man. I'm gonna pick that up, take it to the truck. And I see more garbage. I saw some more beer cans on the corner where I parked. Sad. This is the OFSC trail. Maybe the OPP need to start doing more patrols on it. All these beer cans lying around this intersection. Like that, I get another bass. Look at that, baby. Man. Check that out. Dinner served. Woo! That gets your adrenaline going. Temagami sign, more beer cans down here. Okay, Tuck, I'm gonna take you off leash because we don't need you on the leash in the bush. I don't know why. Hanging out in town too long, I think. Sad people, sad. So I think that's recording. I heard the beep of the GoPro. You see, still snow. Still a little bit of snow in here. But it is melting very quickly. It's supposed to be a whole bunch of rain today, so we might get a little bit wet walking in here. It was pouring on the way here. And it stopped, so I said, well, let's take a walk down the trail into a lake where I was fishing last winter. If you go back on the videos, you'll see it. The spring break, Northern Ontario style. We brought the snow machine through this trail. And I'm hoping the lake's open enough that I can do a couple of casts from shore. Because lake trout here is open all year since it's a stock lake. So we'll see. I just threw one little lure on there. Little maps. We'll give it a whirl. I did bring my other new fishing rod with me. Hold on, Tuck. It's this isn't the new one. I got a new fly fishing rod I'm gonna try out this year. And if the one lake is open, there's some little specks in it. We might try it there later today. As you see, there's a spring coming out of the ground right here. And it forms this little creek. Oh, with some pretty deep water by the looks of it. Let's not fall in. Hug a tree. Come to Temagami. And this is why I wore my rubber boots today, because I knew I'd be walking through stuff like this. Man, that's a lot of water coming out of the ground out of that one spring. Crazy. Fresh, clean water though. Ow. Are we there yet, Tuck? Almost. What do you think? You think the ice is going to be on or off? I still see ice out there. There's a skidoo trail where we went through in the winter. And it still looks like it's iced over. People in Temagami have been monitoring their lake Temagami. They predict ice out this year being May 10th. So we'll see how close they are. I think they'll be pretty accurate. Most of the lakes are just about ice free now, but not quite. I'm hoping it's by May 9th, because I'm wanting to do an ice out trip May 9th. But I'm still seeing ice like out here. Might not be May 9th. We have to change those plans. I don't know, it's gonna get real warm this week though, so that could change things real quick. Yeah, I'm just trying out this new camera. It's a GoPro. It's not the top end one, it's just a GoPro 8. So a good deal online with it, so I went with it, and we're gonna see what kind of footage I can get with it. I don't think we're gonna be doing any fishing, Doc. We'll be walking right back to the truck. Oh well. Who knows, could be one little patch of open water we can cast into. Don't have to cast far. Beautiful day for a walk. Balmy 6 degrees Celsius out here. We had a really big heat wave, which got rid of most of the snow. But then it got cold again, so. The wind's picking up. Oh. Glad I didn't snowmobile through this section. Got some trees down. Tuck goes under the tree. I'll go over it, you go under. Yeah, today is April 30th, so not sure. Another 9 days, you think the ice will be gone? I'm sure hoping it is. Hey, look, there's a patch of open water. Watch us catch a fish right there. Maybe? Somebody left some ice fishing gear out there. That's sad. Wonder if those are the tip-ups. They sure look like them. Okay, no chasing lures, Tuck. You'll go right in over your head. And you're gonna have a cold, cold swim. Which I predict's gonna happen anyway. Because he's just that type of dog. Come on, fishy. Come to daddy. Fishy, fishy in the lake, come and bite my little bait. What are you doing? Don't be stepping on those sharp rocks. Look at that. Big snap over there. Look at the fog coming off the ice. There's a moose running through there. Or walking through. There we go, right at the edge of the ice. I've done this before where you drop it off the ice and plop it in the water and then a fish will hit. Probably not today because I'm recording. Like that. Oh, don't. Like, don't snag the ice. Like, oh, jeez. That didn't pop off, did it? Oh, there we go. Tangled. There we go. Back in business. Fast retrieve along the shallows here. Nothing coming up to chase it. Not so lucky today, eh, Tuck? You wanna take a swim? Oh, shoot. That's gonna suck. Hey, get over here, hey! This way! Tuck! Tucker! Oh. Come on, this way, come on! Oh, jeez, you dumb dog. I told you you're gonna do that. Yeah, roll around, get dry. He was trying to get up on the ice, and I'm like, no, wrong way. Oh, I bet you that was cold, eh? Now we're probably snagged. I don't want to have to jump in after you. I thought I was about to, though. Then we'd both be going back to the truck in a hurry. Okay, we're not gonna fish anymore anyway. One more cast. We're not gonna fish, but one more cast. Right in there. Super shallow, you can see the bottom. Alright, we'll go back to the truck, Tuck. I don't want you dying of hypothermia on me out here. Alright, let's go. Run, roll around. Should have put life jacket on you. And now you just want to play. I ain't throwing that stick for you. No, come on. If only this was running this quick all year, almost be trout in here. But no, it just goes into the lake there. Kind of pretty though. Hey, Tucker. You see he's doing good after falling in the lake. Going after my lure. Yeah, roll around, trying to get dry, but the ground's all wet too, so. Walking upstream. Kind of funny how much water's coming out. This one little spot right here. Whoa, that's deep. I think there's a double spring. There's one here somewhere, and then there's the other one up here. I know it's wet all year round in here. Watch that slippery rock. It's just pouring out right here. Straight out of the rocks. In here. There that rock is. Very cool. Happy Tuck. Back in the truck. It's been rolling around in the blanket I put down for him to roll in. Dry off. Lucky I love you. But it's springtime. It's like fall. Muddy dogs, muddy trucks. Let's go. It's been quite the adventure through this road. I just stopped to check this out because I'm like, yeah, that's pretty high. But this seems solid over here. So we'll put one tire up on that type thing and then cut across there. Because otherwise we'll bottom out. That's all soft over here. I think, yeah. Oh yeah. Like quicksand, man. This is all kind of giving way. Alright, but this is solid up here, so we'll take the high road. Good and solid. Alright. Back in the truck we go. Alright, well, I just talked to a guy on the road, up the road there. He said, oh yeah, the road's clear, you can get through. I'm calling bullshit. Because there's no tire tracks of his through here at all, unless it collapsed after he came through, which could have possibly happened. But the road is completely washed out here. Now, I think I can almost go up here. I'm tempted to get the saw out. Because we're over halfway through the damn road. So if I can just put a log or something right in here, and we'll get through. Because either this just collapsed, but I don't see any of his tire tracks here at all. I saw them further back, but I don't see any here. That sucks, man. Maybe we'll try something. I don't want to lose the truck in here, though. We got no cell signal either, and I didn't bring my Garmin inReach, dummy. Wow, we got beaver dam right here. Can you imagine if that beaver dam broke right now? This would just go whoosh, completely take it out. It's already out, but... Well, let me pull out a saw. We got lots of trees. Make a bridge. I don't know. Because there's no way he came right through. I don't see his tire tracks at all. Maybe it did just collapse. That might have just happened. He may have drove over it and it collapsed. I don't know. Alright, so found a log that's down here. I'm just going to try and make a bridge the best I can. Maybe even that one can get pushed down, I don't know. Actually, I have both my saws with me today, so... There. Don't slip on this damn rock and face plant. One more. Another one here. Cause it's pretty solid on the side here. So I think if we can fill this hole in over here, it should be okay. Oh, moose track. I'm wearing gloves, my hands are all sappy. I see the hill's all icy, so I'm hoping I can make the hill even. That dam is ready to burst any moment, which isn't cool. This is how to get yourself out of a jam. I'll have to cut that one. The road was pretty mushy up to this point. Solid piece. You can see where the water was right over the road at one point. And that's probably what caused the washout. Every piece helps. Put that one right there. Maybe. That might probably do. I'm just worried if it sinks any. So I'm not planning to hit it too slowly. One more over on this side, I think. So we'll put one tire right over here and the other tire over that. We should be good. I'm just worried about the other side though, because if he didn't come through here, the other side's famous for washing out. But either way. This is why You always carry a saw with you and an axe with you, because you just never know, right? Alright, well, I think we'll give her hell and try that. Alright, Doc, here goes nothing. Let's make sure we're lined up here first. Oh yeah. And go. I don't know. I'm just so nervous with washouts. Alright, here we go. Perfect. I bumped my hat, but I think we're good. I heard crunching. She definitely sunk down a bunch, but we made her. Could even, well, could have went more this way, but maybe not. Didn't want to drive over all this stuff. Alright, well, let's hope we don't have to come back through here. Alright, let's continue. I will leave it running, eh? Leave the GoPro going for this hill. As long as we don't get stuck on the hill. Oh, put the seatbelt on, otherwise it's where a woman built this truck. Starts complaining at you. Put your seatbelt on. Oh, that's the workout of the day. Let's hope we don't have to do that too many times. Yeehaw! The good thing with the snow and ice is it's solid. Or it's not ice that you start sinking in the mud. Yeehaw. Sometimes you gotta build bridges. Oh geez. We're sinking off the road here. Yeah, he didn't come this far. There's another washout right here. Just went over. I don't see any tracks here. Any of his tracks. Oh man, we may have to turn around. Moose tracks down here. I hope we don't have to turn around. We're over halfway, that's why I don't want to have to turn around. Come on, you can do it, Betsy. There we go. I do know there's two spots notorious for flooding out, and it may have done that this year. Yeah, he didn't come through here, so there's no fresh tracks at all through here. He's lying to me that he came right through. I'm like, you went all the way through the other end? Oh yeah, yeah. You liar. If you're watching this video, you know who you are. I doubt it. He didn't know me, so he's not a fan. I'm not a fan of him. For lying to me. Because I was ready to turn around and he's like, no, no, it's good all the way. Just in for a Sunday drive. You know, I don't do enough driving as a truck driver. I gotta get all stressed out doing these kind of things on my days off. It's all good. Alright, well, if anything exciting happens, I'll turn you back on. Alright, so we're just following a small SUV. He had turned around, went back out, so I'm like, well, if he made it this far, we'll be good. But what I'm not liking to see, this is another major intersection on the OFSC trail. Empty beer cans everywhere, all the way up. So, come on, OFSC, smarten up. Quit littering my woods. We're going to clean them up, though, because they're 10 cents each. See, it was worth the drive. We're getting paid to come down here. Look at them all up into the bushes. My neighbor just replied. He said, I'm cleaning up after the drunken snowmobilers. She's like, damn drunks. I'm like, yep. And I got cell phone signal again. So yeah, we're getting closer to the highway. And Tucker wants to play. Alright. We're almost out after we clean up this mess. Shame on you, snowmobilers. Shame. So, I don't have a plastic bag with me, but I gotta get a Walmart bag. Always keep them in the back seat. The cleanup begins. There's somebody's shoe. Somebody buried here? I don't know. I'm not touching it in case it's evidence. Hey, Tuck. We'll leave the shoe. But look at all the freaking beer cans. I'm gonna need another bag. Like, that's ridiculous, man. We haven't even got down the trail yet. Typical, another Bud Light. So I'm surprised there's so many Bud Lights. OFSC A Trail to Temagami. Shame on you. Shame, shame, snowmobilers. That's why I don't buy a trail permit. Because you guys are a bunch of drunken idiots going up and down the trails. I refuse to support something like that anymore. Making our way out after doing the big cleanup. Quit littering my woods, snowmobilers. Pack it in, pack it out. Oh, that's right, you don't want to get caught with an empty canister like that. Well, how about you just don't do it? So here comes that more rain that they were saying. Supposed to get like 40 to 70 millimeters by tomorrow afternoon or something, which is crazy. But I just stopped back there and picked up a Pepsi bottle that was on the road. And I was just thinking, this is one of the reasons I don't tell people about Crownland camping in the Temagami area, is because every time I come back to these locations, there's piles and piles of garbage. So why would I tell anyone, like, oh yeah, come on back, when you're just going to be littering my backyard? So that's why I don't usually tell people. But anyways, stop ahead means we're just about at the highway. Heading back home. Misty! Getting misted. Snake! Oh, he's backing up. He's like, oh wait, there's humans. There's another one over there. Oh, he disappeared. A bunch of them.